What's going on, guys? Josh here. Wanted to jump on here for a minute to let everyone know that I've started the install on the 12 valve Cummins, the head gasket repair. There's the head. I had to actually modify this thing. It came off no problem, but you know, going on, it's always, you're gonna have to be a little careful. So I had to take my engine stand piece and slid it in there and just kind of modified it a little bit. But there's the head. They took a little off of there and cleaned up. I painted it, but right now, guys, I'm going through the head studs and getting everything ready. Xotic Performance provided these head studs at no cost to me. They just wanted me to do a review on them, so I'm gonna give you guys my honest opinion about them. Right now, they look of high quality. We've used, this will be the 14th set between me and my buddies, but this will be the first set I've used on the 12 valve. We've done the 6.0s and others, but yeah, they seem to be very high quality, and you know, that's what scares people away, is the cost of them. But they provided those, and they provided the rocker pedestals, which I was able to get my rocker pedestals milled, but I appreciate that Xotic Performance. Jason hooked me up. I will use those rocker pedestals on my next build. I really do appreciate that, man. Guys, y'all got to check them out, man. I mean, everything. I mean, I'm not knocking ARP. ARP's great. I've used them. They make some high quality stuff. Heck, you can see I even got all ARPs. They're lube and even their thread chasers. The them are thread chasers. A lot of people are arguing and say they're touts, but they are thread chasers. They're made to clean threads, not cut them. And it comes with the assembly lube. We're gonna get that kind of stuff going here in a second, but getting ready just to put a couple of these head studs in. I'm gonna put them in where the dial pins are, and that'll line me up, because I'm by myself. My daughter was going to help me. She loves doing this, but she's been having bad grades, so I'm on my own. But I don't want to bore you. I'm gonna get this head set, and then I will come back live. Appreciate it, everyone. Like, share, subscribe to my channel, CDP. I will be giving away a set of head studs when I reach a certain amount of subscribers. Like and share. I mean, I may give a couple of sets away. Me and Xotic Performance have talked. It's a great idea. I want to grow my channel. I want to help everyone that I can. If you guys can help me, let me know. Like, share, subscribe to my page, and I will talk to y'all in a few.